Hello, if you want to take the macro photos on your Redmi 14C, so there's like two things that we can do. First of all, we can use the 50 megapixel mode because as you know there's like no macro lens. And you will have to get the good lighting condition, and I'm gonna actually show you how it looks when I try to capture photo of this AirPod 4. So you will have to catch focus and try to put it really close to your object. But as you can see, for the 50 megapixel mode, I actually cannot put it like that close, so I have to actually keep the distance like that, for example. Click on the shutter, and when the photo was taken, I will have to grab that. And now I'll have to zoom in, but as you can see, it honestly doesn't look good. It's completely blurred, so I've got a second option to show you that, in my opinion, looks better. So you have to use the normal lens without the 50 megapixel mode, and you will have to try to zoom in. As you can see, when you go into the 2x and then start zooming the phone, we can actually find some details. And you will have to zoom in that close as much as you know, but try to don't go for like 10x because you will actually lose the quality. So I can highly recommend you to go for like 8, I guess. And now try to put it close into your object that you want to capture and keep holding steady and capture the photo. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Definitely much better than something like that, right? So this is actually the only way to capture the macro photos on AirPods, on a Redmi 14C, because there's no dedicated macro lens on this device. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.